Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, where we carry the largest selection of wood flowers in the United States, and it's another Meet the Flower! Yay! Today's flower is none other than sunshine. Sunshine is a lovely, I would say, sunflower-esque flower. Definitely heavy on the bark, a little bit on the cream peeking through, but that makes for the coolest two-toned type flower that you ever did see. So let's not chit-chat too much about this one. Let's jump into it, and we will dye a couple of these lovely sunshines. The easiest thing to do with the bark flowers, in my humble opinion, is to just dip dye them. So I'm going to just pop that in there, shake off the excess. And for right now, you can see that it's sitting on top of that bark, but in a minute when it's fully dry, it's pretty much repelled off of there. It might have a slight coating, but it's not going to cover the bark completely. If you don't want the bark peeking through, really the only option you have is probably to spray paint the flowers. Otherwise, the one kind of fun thing about the bark flowers, that little extra bonus when using the two-toned, is you get a two-toned effect whether they're being left raw or dyed. So we'll let these fully dry, and then I'll show you what they look like when they're dry and repelled all of that paint off of the bark. All right, you guys, so we did just dip dyeing with the sunshines, because how could you, like, you let the flower do the work for you. Why play around with all those other little fun techniques when it's going to just, it's so much easier just to dip dye it. Now you can see in like this center, that particular, the purple really picked up on this center. That doesn't always happen, especially with the bark. Here's an example of one where it didn't really. And now you get like this cute little brown button in the center. So you can go in with some straight paint and color that a little bit more. The center doesn't matter as much as far as the durability. That's not gonna break or anything like that. So you don't have to worry about chipping. So you could go in with just a little bit of yellow or some other color if you want brown or something else, and touch that up. You definitely can do that. Such a fun little flower. Don't be afraid to play around with the bark flowers. I know some people are a little bit nervous with them, but I dyed this yellow. I think I did in the sunflower tutorial maybe, where we took a whole bunch of different flowers that we like for sunflowers. I'll have to double check, but I'm pretty sure I did. And that makes for a really cool effect as well. So if you're loving these videos, can't get enough, want to know when the next one goes live, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell to find out about the 150 style sola flowers, including sunshine. Go to ohyourlovely.com, but before you scoot, hold on. Let me give you a code. Use the code YouTube30 to get 30% off your first order. All right, you guys, have a lovely day. I will see you right here next week for another Meet the Flower. I'm Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, and you, my friends, are absolutely lovely. Bye, guys.